There is this obsession. How do I do less and get more? How do I spend less but make sure that I get more back? Doing more is always the road to success, always. Doing less is the road to inevitable failure, because essentially, when we start doing less, that's the first step on the path to having given up. When you and I look at what are the places that we want to go back to, we felt contributed to, we felt like we actually got more. We felt like we were valued. If I am talking to you and I value you and I pay attention to you more and I look at how much more can I offer you, how much more can I help you, that's the power when it comes to giving more and fulfilling a dream and kicking some major ass.